went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, splashing in puddles all the way. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out to sing, flapping their wings in the warm spring. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out to run, chasing the butterflies in the sun. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out to play, hiding behind a tree all day. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but none of the little ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went on one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came back. All the little ducks jumped up high, flapping their wings and reaching the sky. They quacked and danced and splashed around, happy to be home safe and sound.